Welcome to video 4.5D. Again, lines and angles. We're still on page 15 of the packet from 2016. Finishing up example 2, and this will be the end. All right, so name a pair of alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. Again, for the interior angles, there's going to be a lot of them. We're looking for the Z formation. Okay, and I'll try to go in some kind of order. So I'm going to say angle 1 and angle 5. And you might not be able to visualize that, so again, I strongly suggest that you redraw things. So let me show you 1 and 5. They both have this in common. So that could be a line like that and a line like that. So notice I've got a 1 there and a 5 there. Oh, that looks like alternate interior angles. Again, it's easy to see in that drawing. Not so easy to see in that drawing. So again, I'm a big believer in extending the lines and making things look like our standard initial drawing. So we've got 1 and 5, also 1 and 7. Okay, I'm going to try to go in some methodical order here. 2 with 4, alternating sides, inner side, inner side. 3 with 6 would be, I think, the most obvious. It's got, that line there, like that line there, so you totally see the Z formation there. So 3 and 6, and again, I'll put a star there. If it were a quiz or a test, that's the one that I would put down. All right, so 4 with 7. Let's see here. 5 with 8. Again, if you don't see 5 with 8, they share that line right there. 5 looks like that, 8 looks like that. So I've got a 5 on that side, and I've got an 8 on that side. So they're on the inside, alternating, alternate interior. Okay, alternate exterior angles for this one. All right, so there's not really so many. Let's see what's jumping out. 4 and 5 are jumping out. So let me just do a redraw there. Again, extending that line up like that. And you can more clearly see a 4 and a 5. So they're on alternating sides, but the exterior. Okay, so it takes care of that one. This drawing right here, this is really important. This is going to lead us to future lessons. All right, we're going to be talking about parallelograms, parallel lines, all these kind of angles. So this is the example that I think is fundamental moving forward. Okay, so it says, if angles 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles, name the pair of lines and the transversal. Okay, so let me just outline it here. So here's angle 1, and here's angle 2. So in a quiz or a test, just kind of highlight or bold that, and you'll see whatever's in common is the transversal. It says to name the line. We're going to call that line AC. That's the transversal. Name the lines. The lines will be the things that aren't the transversal. This line here is not a transversal. This line here is not a transversal. Again, the other things that are part of those rays of those angles. So line AB and line CD. Okay, then it says, name another pair of alternate interior angles, different than those, and again provide the name of the lines, then transversal. Okay, so hopefully 3 and 5 are jumping out. So let me outline those in green. Again, the line that's in common is the transversal. So AC is the transversal. We'll just put that down right here. And then the other lines are the other lines. So the other lines are this one right here and this one right here. So that would be line AD and line BC. And once again, this is the skill you're going to need in future lessons once we get to parallelograms and things of that nature. So there you have it, the final video on lesson 4.5.